Saving an appointment to your calendar. When a patient books an appointment with you, an email is sent to your business or personal email. Open the appointment email. A new appointment has been carded for April 21st at 12:30 p.m. You will see an attachment in this email. Double-click the attachment and select Yes on the pop-up. Select the Accept drop-down and click one of the response options. Please note that by selecting Decline, Tentative, or Propose a new time will have no effect on the appointment. Please refer to the tutorial video Rescheduling Patient Appointment on Cellmaflex. Once accepted, here you can see the appointment is booked and carded for April 21st at 12:30 p.m. We hope this has been helpful. Thank you for watching.